we are back with more dragons. So, you can see that we've with diamonds. Yes, we have diamonds. We found a few villages. Like, for instance, I'll show you one. 1 second, let me try and get to my dragon. Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you. We got dragons! Yeah, we need names. Comment down below. Who will be the 2 dragonettes of the day? We need names. Kylo, remember, my name is Iron. Why did you just call me that? Yeah? And we got more dragon eggs. And so the village I found, it had diamonds in it. It had 2 diamonds. We found 3 villages actually, and they all had 2 diamonds. See those villagers? It was the same village, see? Okay. Anyway, back to the dragons. We need names. I want mine to be a creative water name. Dex needs a creative ghost name. Deck, just let them name it. Whatever. So I built a little landing pad for dragons. I built a chicken coop. Let me get those eggs and hatch them. Yes, gimme. And we could also breed them and eat them and, yeah, that stuff. Anyway, come on, can we get lucky? Spam! Oh, first try, spam! Dang it. Whoa, bow! Oh, we didn't get one. Whatever, ooh, another one. We still have 4 more chance, guys. We got this. Oops. Yeah. So this video, I'm going mining. Deck's staying up. Okay? So Declan, harvest the wheat and stuff. I'm going to go mining for more mine shafts. And I was going to go on a journey looking for an ice biome. Because next, I want an ice dragon. This is our little elevator. What? You're getting and Kylo's getting a nether dragon. Yeah? You should get a fire dragon. I'm getting ice. A bat. I hate bats. Anyway, so this is where I found the mine shaft.
I already told them that.
I know, but you didn't say where. We took everything. We took absolutely everything. Anyway, I'm gonna keep mining down. Hopefully not hit any lava, but find some ores. And so, I was thinking like Neptune for mine, but I honestly don't know. That's why you're naming them. We need names super quickly. We need dragonettes of the day. And sorry I only have 1 video up right now. I will get more up hopefully. And Dex, stay up there just in case I get lost. I hit a cave.
What?
I hit a cave.
Ooh, I love caves.
Is it safe to explore? Who cares?
Yeah. Much mode isn't on right now, is it?
Nope.
Lava. There's lava.
Lapis.
Lapis. Lava. That is a buttload of lava.
Oops. I just threw it.
You go over there. See, it looks like there might be diamonds or redstone.
It's too risky to go down there.
No, it won't.
Deck, I'm not risking all my stuff. It's a lava lake. It's too risky.
Cece.
Because if I died, all my stuff would burn. And Dak, it's iron.
That big.
No, that's what I'm going for. So we just hit some lapis.
Cece, you need iron.
No?
Wait, you don't?
No.
Oh.
Lapis!
Cece, go down that way.
Dak, you need to call me iron.
Iron.
Redstone!
We need that.
Oh, I need iron.
Oh, I have iron.
Wait. Oh, I do.
Oh. Rip off.
Not a ripoff. I'll TP back. Your turn.
What? Where did you... Cece, iron.
Just go down to the mine shaft, go through, keep going straight. Then you'll meet the cobblestone bridge, fall down.
Okay.
The reason why he's doing it is because he has a pickaxe. An iron one. Of course I have a pickaxe. You just saw that. Who was stomping on my crops? No one likes people stomping on their crops. So be respectful, person or animal. Anyway. So, off camera, I'm glad I'm doing it off camera. So I'm gonna go in a boat, you may have saw it. And go looking for new lands since we have a tiny island. I went around it in about a half a Minecraft day. It's getting dark, Deck, let's sleep. Come on, Deck, we're sleeping. Sorry, that song's been stuck on my head for a long time. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. I have a dragon riding costume. Butter! I just need a chest plate. So I did get some cactus from the desert. Oh yeah, sleep. Wow, you're the one snoring. Ah, I got terrible rest. You were snoring like crazy. Anyway. I forgot my hoe. I forgot my home. We have 4 diamonds. 4 diamonds. I'm just wowed out. But Deck, you're right. I don't know what type I'm getting. Leave a comment. Should I get ghost or fire? Dun dun dun. What? Oh. Go get one from the house. We moved not too far. We just moved across our island. So, yeah, this is our tiny wheat farm. It's not that good yet. Anyway, I'm gonna go fly my dragon around. I can't believe I'm saying that. I didn't realize that we can't do infinite lava sources, so that's why that's there. So, I'm going up. Come on, Mr. Dragon. His next name is Aquamarine, by the way. I just have to call him, he needs a name to be called by so we're not just calling him Random Dragon or anything. That would hurt his feelings, right? Right, Aquamarine, nickname guy. Anyway, so there's a nice little area over here that'd be good for mining too. So I'm just swooping out the area right now on a stupid dragon. I just can't believe I'm saying that. I'm not saying the dragon is actually stupid. I'm just really amazed. Coming in for a landing. So for some reason, the ghost and the water dragons apparently are best friends now. Yeah. Oops. I know I'm doing it. How's it going? Get it. Never mind. So it's over here is the boat. Yeah? Yeah? How come? Oh, no, Deck, you can still get lost. That was just for a map of there over here. Anyway, just pass me the redstone. I've got an idea.
What?
Pass me the redstone. But we can't go anywhere on our dragon's deck. We could still get lost out of the map. Deck, compasses aren't everything. You need to realize that. That would be just like saying, that would be pretty much OP. Anyway, I need some iron and paper and stuff like that. Ooh, I did have an iron pick. So I need some paper. So, wrong thing. How do I craft paper again? There we go. There else. Iron. And then I need here. I need a compass by doing that. So, what? We don't have another saddle is the problem. Yeah?
We absolutely need leather. Leather.
Why?
Because we need saddles.
Duck, we can't craft them, I found out. I tried.
Why? How'd you get them then?
Saddle? You have to find them.
That just made things a whole lot harder.
I know.
Who's see to get them?
No! Deck, not everything comes easy. I thought you learned that. Apparently I was wrong. Deck, don't do that. That's annoying. Anyway, Deck.
Then we're like never gonna get sad.
Deck, don't say that. We will explore. Think about it.
How?
That's like saying.
Then how are we gonna get back with our dragons? A compass. So we need to craft a compass.
I did, but Deck. Compasses don't allow you to TP. The book is more helpful than a compass, Deck. I just want a compass so I can make a map, so I can navigate easier. Deck, if we could get coordinates, we could TP around the world. Just in this version, I don't know what's coordinates. Where's my book and quill? Here it is. So I need another page. Sorry if I spelled this wrong. Coordinates. Yeah, probably if I spelled that wrong, I don't really care. Hey, Deck, get out of my chest. My chest. My chest. Get out of my chest. Get out of my chest. Anyway, guys, I know this wasn't the best video, but I think we're going to have to end it here. We really didn't have anything to do for this video. So I'm going to thank you for watching and say, see you later. Thank you. Bye.